Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Find and close the main shutoff valve to stop incoming water. Do it firmly because this immediately limits damage. Once closed, open a nearby faucet, top or bottom of house, to relieve pressure and drain residual water, and make sure the water heater is off for safety. Grab a wrench, bucket, towels, and a clamp so you can act quickly on the leak. This first sequence prevents more flooding and gives you space to inspect the problem without standing water disrupting the repair. You now focus. Identify whether the leak is at a fitting, a joint, or a pipe rupture. This determines the fix. Once located, stabilize the area, wrap a rubber patch or cloth around the leak, and secure with a hose clamp to slow flow, and apply plumber's tape on threaded fittings. If the leak is too large, cut out the damaged section and cap temporarily, or close the nearest zone valve to isolate that line. These actions let you control the problem and prepare for a permanent repair. You finish by making a lasting repair. Install a replacement pipe or fitting using the correct method. Solder for copper, compression, or push fit for quick repairs, making sure joints are clean and sealing materials are applied. Once done, slowly open the main shutoff to pressurize the system. Watch every repaired joint for seepage for several minutes. Make sure to clear tools and dry the area. If you still see leaks or you can't stop flow, call a licensed plumber right away as your troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.